Okay, students. So now we are going to study about subtracting fraction, how to subtract the given fraction and how to add also. Okay, so let us start. But before that, I'd like to teach you how to convert a mixed fraction into a whole fraction. Okay, how to change a mixed number to an improper fraction?
Remember popcorn.
Okay, so let us now understand how to change a mixed fraction into improper. For example, look at this mixed fraction. It was 4 whole 1 upon 2. So what we have to do, we have to multiply 4 with 2 with 4. Okay, when you will multiply 2 with 4, what you will get? 2 4s are, speak up, 8. And 8 plus 1? 8 plus 1? 9. So the answer is 9 upon 2. So what you have to do exactly, you have to multiply the denominator. This is the denominator. The lower number is called denominator. You have to multiply it with the, tell me, you have to multiply with the whole number. This is the whole number. And then you have to add the numerator. Then you have to add the numerator. Okay. And you have to write the same denominator in the improper fraction also. Now, can you convert this? Tell me fast. Oh, the time is up. Time is up. You are late. Time is up. Now tell me fast. Tell me.
20 upon 20. 20 upon 5.
Time is up. Time is up.
3 5 is 15.
Now, fast.
17 upon 5.
19 upon 4.
19 upon
Exactly,
4.
19 upon 4.
19 upon 4, sir.
सब बच्चे बता रहे क्या कर रहे हो?
19
नीचे
upon
वाले
4.
में इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके ऊपर वाले में ऐड कर दो और
Very
नीचे
good.
ऐसे लिखा है.
So let us now understand the whole process one by one. How to do this? Okay, so this is the fraction. First, you have to multiply 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 15, add 2 in 15. 17. So 17 upon 5. 17 upon 5. Now in this, multiply 4 with 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 upon 4. 19 upon 4 is the,
19
yes,
upon 4.
exactly. Now next is multiply 5 into 8. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 3. 43.
43 upon 5.
43 upon 5. Exactly. 43 upon 5. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now who's this? Is this Bhaskar? Is this Hamad or who? Okay. Let's keep moving. Now you have to subtract these two fractions, okay? And how are you going to do it? Let us understand this. But before this, I would like to tell you something more.
Sir, 4.
Point. Remember the face in equal part of.
Terminology.
First of all, must know about this, and I know that you already know this is a very basic thing about the fraction, that the upper number or the number which is in top, which is on top, is called numerator, and the number which is on bottom is called denominator. For example, 2 upon 3. So 2 is
Numerator.
numerator and 3 is denominator. Very good. Now let us add. Okay, fine. Now let us add 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 5, and how to add them. So look at this very carefully, students. Okay, look at this very carefully.
सेम रहेगा एक के ऊपर टिक जाएगा
First of all,
3 upon 5.
very first, what we have to do, we have to check if the denominators are same or not. If the denominators are same, listen, if the denominators are same, it means we can directly add the numerators. If only if the denominators are same, then we can directly add the numerator. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 upon 5 is the answer. But we can do only if the denominators are same. हम ऐसा तभी करेंगे जब denominators same होंगे. Okay, fine. This answer cannot be reduced any further. Why? Because 3 upon 5 cannot be reduced further. So 3 upon 5 is the final answer. Now, next question. So as you can see, denominators are same. So we can directly subtract 5 from 9. 5 minus 9 is?
14 upon 14. 14.
बेटा माइनस से यहाँ पर ऐड क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you adding?
14.
4 upon 14.
1. 4 upon 14.
Now, HCF of 4 and 14 is 2. So we can divide by 2 to reduce it. Okay, we can reduce both the number by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So 2 upon 7. Okay, what we are doing, we are reducing both the number by 2, or we are dividing the fraction by 2. So the answer is 2 upon
7.
2 upon 7. This is the final answer. Now add these two fractions and tell me the answer now.
11 upon 9. 11 upon 9.
11 upon 9. Directly add 8 and 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 upon 9. This is the answer. Okay, now this is an improper fraction. Now what is improper fraction, students? Can
11
anyone tell
upon
me?
9.
No.
11
What is improper fraction? Okay, let me tell you. The fraction in which the top is bigger than the bottom means the upper number is bigger than the lower number, then the fraction is called, speak up, improper. For example, 7 upon 5. 7 upon 5 is improper because the upper number is greater and lower number is smaller. Okay, for example, 11 upon 5. This is also improper. But 1 upon 7, this is not improper. 1 upon 7 is not improper. Why? Why? Because 1 is smaller and 7 is greater, and upper number is smaller, and when the lower number is greater, then we call it an proper fraction.
Improper fraction.
Proper fraction, beta.
Noori.
This is a proper fraction. Why? Because the upper number is smaller and lower number is greater. But this and this, these are
Improper fraction. Improper fraction.
okay. Now, can anyone tell me what is proper and what is improper fraction? Fast. We are having only 4 minutes now. What is proper?
7/7.
No. Dekho, listen to me. What is proper fraction? A fraction in which the upper number is smaller than the lower number is called proper fraction. And what is improper fraction? A fraction in which upper number is greater. As you can see, the upper number is greater than the lower number. It is called improper fraction. Now it is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask a question.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me. The question is
Sir, पूछ रहे हैं.
3/11. Is it proper or improper? 3/11.
Improper.
Beta, this is proper. This is proper fraction. देखो
Proper number, sir.
जब
Proper.
भी ऊपर वाला नंबर छोटा होगा नीचे वाले नंबर से तो वो प्रॉपर होगा.
Fraction.
सिंपल है, एकदम सिंपल. And 7/5. What is this? Proper or improper?
Improper.
Yes, this is improper. Very good. You people are so smart. Next, to do this, divide the bottom into top. 9. And we are dividing 11 by 9. So 9 ones are 9. And subtract. So 2 is remainder. So what is the answer? 1 whole 2/9.
1.
So whenever your answer is improper, so you have to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to divide 11 by 9. Sorry. And 9 ones are 9. 2 is remainder. So 1 whole 2/9. 1 whole 2/9. This is the right answer. Clear?
1 whole 2/9.
Now try some of these. Now tell me the answer of the first question. 7/12 minus 5/12.
2/12. 5/12. 2/12.
7 minus 5 is?
2/12.
Beta, 7 minus 5 is 2 and 12. So 2/12. Now you can further reduce it. 2 is 2 and 2 6 are 12. So 1/6. Now second question. 4/7 plus 1/7.
5/7.
बेटा प्लस है, ऐड करना है, सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करना है.
लेकिन मैं 12/20.
5 now 8/15 plus 12/15.
20/15. 20/15.
Now reduce it by 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are 15. So 4/3. This is the answer.
4/3.
Okay, so the time is up now. I hope that you have enjoyed this class. So let us